every album like the testament. Everything I went through, man.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's vlog. I hope everyone's doing good. I'm doing great. Cannot complain. Today's agenda. We're actually gonna check something out on my truck here. Remember I told you guys she was leaking a little bit. I think it's a little bit of oil. So my friend, he's a mechanic. He's just gonna check it out, see what it is. Then I'm gonna go order the part. I also wanted to go check out another shop, a muffler shop, because I'm kind of inquiring about some more noise. I know she has a nice little growl to her right now, which is perfect. I'm not complaining about it at all. But you know your boy, I gotta have some kind of sound. I gotta have some kind of sound. This Volkswagen is had a loud system in it before. I don't know what it's like right now. Oh, I hope he's here. Is he here? I don't know if that's him. Let me run inside quick, guys. Be right back. Thought I caught you working on the motor. Huh? What's going on, G? You alright?
Yeah.
Was it just a regular swap?
It's regular swap.
Easy, huh? So is this where the Accord's gonna be?
Yeah.
So I gotta get the TSX quick so we can do the swap real quick.
Yeah.
So it's not just sitting. You get what I'm saying? I don't want it to just sit here. Look at this bodywork, guys. Can you tell where that bumper's from? Yo, he molded this. Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
See sounds and stuff?
Nah. I didn't even see it. This is the same one that was from the Rabbit, right? Or the...
No.
That's a Rabbit? That's not a Rabbit. Golf.
Golf?
Rabbit's old. You see, I'm showing my age, guys. He got the gold wheels on it. What are these, like 22s? Holy, these things are big. This is sick. I like how he did this. The wide body with right here at the back here. Oh, he matched the interior. He matched. Okay. There it is. Oh, it closed. Maybe because of this, the stuff that he has right here.
Pull it up.
All right, do it again. Wow. Wow.
You see those speakers right there?
Where's those
On
rocks?
the stairs?
Where?
See the speakers right there on the stairs?
Oh, okay.
That's what it hooks up to.
Oh. Okay. That right there. Oh my goodness.
Hooks up to that.
So block parties. We're having some block parties over here, I'm guessing. There's a competition with what's the Rooster, eh? Rooster don't even come around here though.
This
So this is way louder than Roosters? Dang. Yeah, I want to hear it. He soundproofed the car too, the side right here? Cause that's just gonna rattle.
You just opened up this.
Oh, yeah, true. Motors are motors, but these, you don't want these motors. So yeah. I just want to check to see where that oil thing is coming from. I don't know if I think it's oil. I believe it's oil.
They have a common thing with power steering oil.
Is it power? Yeah. Over here, Secret Shop, Majestic Muffler. Shout out to you guys. I have something coming. Oh my gosh, and I can't wait. Gave me a good price, a good deal. You know, I was gonna do something and he kind of talked me out. I was actually gonna take the muffler off of Onyx, give her some sound. But he was telling me because of the 6.2, it would not hurt the motor because it's a nice motor. It's a 6.2, but he was talking about the back pressure. So when I take off the line, it's gonna do a little hesitation. I don't want that. I want it nice and smooth, a nice sound. Oh, whew. Sorry guys, sorry for that pause. Sorry for that pause. I heard a ticking noise. My gosh. It was my Onyx auxiliary cord. I was gonna say Onyx. Not you, girl. It's not you. Yeah, but back to what I was saying. Got something coming. Shout out to you, Majestic Muffler. Convinced me I'm not straight piping the 6.2. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait. Give or take 2 weeks, maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But once it's getting done, I would record it and show you guys before and afters for sure. I'm so excited. Man, I'm in love with this truck. I am so in love with this truck. She's like everything. I can't wait. I can't wait. Because you guys, if you know, you know. Victoria, time to work on ya, girl. Woo wee! Look at these homes. One day, I'm gonna be over here, guys. Watch. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog, guys. There was a car meet. There's a car meet that gonna be Thursday, but because of the weather, Canada, I don't think it's gonna happen tonight. If it is, I'll probably stop by, see what it's looking like. You know what? Yeah, this is not the end of the video. Sorry guys for the confusion. But yeah, this is not the end of the video. Stay tuned. Huh?
Music can't get paper on YouTube, right?
Oh, you could feel like reggae and stuff like that.
No, the hip hop them.
Hip hop?
Expensive,
Yeah,
man.
hip hop get copyrighted for sure.
They're expensive, man.
They don't play.
Oh, like that.
Wow, she's dirty. I'm gonna do a quick wash on it, guys. Yeah, she's dirty. I don't even know how much this is. They ripped off the sign. $4. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, wow. Pristine. I need to get changed.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me go get some change. Yeah, tonight we're gonna go over to a car meet. Hopefully, it's a lot of people. I was gonna say it's popping. Nobody says that anymore. Popping. $4.
4 minutes, right?
Yo, we'll see right now.
That's a good minute.
We'll see right now. Here's one token. High pressure rinse. Okay. Already looks clean. I'm telling you, just need a quick rinse, yo. quick rinse. Oh yeah. Huh? I don't need to get that right now. Eh? You see it, right? High pressure soap. The soap, yeah, I'm not doing that. Scratch your car, bro.
Let me tell you what I'm gonna do. Spot free. You think the spot free works?
That's afterwards. Right now I'm doing a high pressure soap. You know what, guys, let me finish this and I'll get back to you, okay guys?
Oh shit, what is this?
What is it?
Spiced. It's a spiced Coca-Cola, bro.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what that is. I'm about to try that.
You wanna try?
I'm trying it. This guy got me spiced Coca-Cola. What is that? Well, look at her now. Oh yeah. She cleans up nice. Dang, she cleans up nice. You know, just getting her a little prepared for later on. Like I said, Majestic's mufflers. They got me something. They're gonna hook me up. Shout out to them again. But yeah, clear up this rust a little bit right here. You know, she needs a little work, but she's not that bad. The front bonnet, obviously. I'm gonna do the rear shocks first because she has it like a little rake, and I don't like that rake. The squat, not the rake, sorry, the squat. I'm not really a squatted person. Shout out to you Texas guys that love that. I don't hate, I appreciate. Oh, hey. Yo, it's kind of cold out there for real though.
Get it.
You
Get the chills out of them.
Yo, sheet warmer, eh?
No, yeah, we don't need the seat. Wow.
Oh, let me see.
Get the chills inside while the hunt.
Oh, out there.
Yeah. Just need a glove at least. At least a glove.
No glove.
Remember when they did outside in the yard? I'm like, you need a glove at least.
Okay, that I need a glove.
No, man. Yeah, like shit.
They were washing my car outside. It was cold that day. It wasn't one of them hot days, yo. You know? Who called me? Oh, Pops? I'm gonna call you right back, Pops. Mr. Newspaper. Oh, there it is. Huh? There it is. Soon I'm gonna get the freaking radio to connect the Bluetooth.
This, man.
I know. I have to connect it somehow like this. I don't know how to.
Oh yeah, you want that full on.
I don't know how to. I don't know how to connect it properly.
No, I want to tell them guys, but man, no. Can check it when you're ready. You know?
I looked up online how to do it. It's not hard, you know.
Yeah,
it's
but
just,
no, it's just the wires them.
No, it's not even the wires. You just hold this and you have to sync it to the phone. But it's not syncing to my phone. So I don't know if it's a connection properly.
That out of my league now. I'm like, oh yeah, okay. We can get it power point thing.
Yeah, it powers up.
Yeah.
Like I can use right now. If I call my dad You can hear him. Soft.
Yeah,
It goes through the
yeah.
speakers. That's no problem. You know, I just wanted to take out the auxiliary cord.
Yeah, no wires.
Yeah, no worries. What's this guy? Look at this guy. Still not looking.
Was an accident,
Look
you
at
know,
that.
with them
Look
neck
at that.
brace, him neck.
Look at that, yo.
Remember neck brace already,
Yo,
bro.
welcome to Canada. Do you guys have drivers like that down in where you are? Canada's bad, yo. Holy, it's bad out here. It's bad out here, but yo, I'm gonna start driving.
See, me know I hear funny, you know, but yo, hear me now. This if you do, bro. Make me put on a suit and this, you know.
Yo, I'll do that, yo. What are you talking about? Where we going? Where we going? We're inside tint up everything, bro. You guys see that? We're inside tint up everything, yo. Presidential. Alright, chat. Watch, bro. So, I'm out here in Mississauga. There's supposed to be like a rooftop parking. I'm trying to get to the upper level, and oh, right there, found it. Yeah, my bad. She found it, not me. Yo, these signs, they seem so low. I'm so used to being in a car. Did that hit? Did you hear that?
I heard that.
Oops. Sorry guys. Yo, it looks like I'm not from around here.
Looks like you're drunk.
Yeah, it does look like I'm drunk. Yo, let's hope. Let's hope that there's a.
Damn.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There is. Oh, that's the suspension.
Yeah.
There's nothing here. They said the 4th floor, so let's hope. Let's hope. If not, I'm gonna have to end the vlog here, guys. I gotta get the suspension fixed. It's pretty, yo, imagine really having a car meet up here though.
Yeah, that's sick.
This is sick. This in the summertime?
One night, you know.
Right? Okay. Nah. There's no meat.
There's another floor.
There's no meat.
We're on 3.
You think there's cars up top there? I don't think so.
You get up there and one night, you know.
Canadian
Like
edition.
when the door opens and they're in the meat.
Yeah, negative. We're on the 4th. We're gonna go to the very top. There is nothing. This would be pretty sick though. Unless we're late. It's only 10 o'clock.
On Friday.
On a Friday. Yep. Nothing. Nothing. You know what? I'm gonna see. Let's just park up right here. Maybe up a road split or something. It's a nice little parking lot. We have to take a picture up here. Ooh.
Signs blowing in the wind.
It's cold up here. I ain't going outside. I just seen that. Alright, everyone. Give me a second. Yo, guess that's it. That's it for tonight, guys. They relocated out there in Oakville. This would have been a sweet spot, though. Ideas. I don't know if anyone will come all the way to Mississauga, though. But yeah, we're gonna go back home. I love how this truck looks. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. I appreciate it. Y'all, peace out.